So in this video, I'll show you how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 with the keyboard and mouse in PlayStation 5. So if you'd like to play this game using a keyboard and mouse, you can simply do that. So grab your mouse and keyboard and connect them to your PlayStation 5. And then once connected, you should see an icon, the keyboard icon appear. That means it has been successfully connected. And when you move around your mouse, you can see that the keyboard has been detected. So before you play the game, you have to make certain changes so that you can use the keyboard and mouse as your device for playing the game. So all you have to do is come to this settings icon at the top right corner, select this, and then from the options that appear, scroll down and select keyboard and mouse. So choose that. And then under the aiming input device, ensure that this thing is selected to mouse so that you can use your mouse as your aiming device. So once done, select the keybinds options. And then from here, you can find all the keyboard keybinds that you'll use to perform specific actions within the game. So scroll down and find the option that you'd like to change. So for instance, if I want to change move, so select it, click on it rather, and then press any other button that you'd like to use as the move forward button. So let's say if I want to use the arrow, and that will be set to your move forward button. So you can change all the other settings that you desire. And then once done, that will ensure that you have customized your keyboard to suit your preferences. So once done, launch a match on the game to test out the keyboard and mouse. So let's say for instance, I want to launch this multiplayer mode. So select that. Then launch any match. So give it a few seconds, rather a few minutes to find a match. Now once you find a match, it will begin. So let's give it a few seconds. And now you can use your mouse and keyboard to play the match. So that's basically it on how to play COD Black Ops 6 using a keyboard and mouse on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.